Hello everybody. Well, I'm here in Göttingen and just happened to run across one of these half-timbered houses, they're called. Apparently they're everywhere in the city and it's really neat. Very, very old. You can see how they're twisted and bent a little bit because of age. You see these a lot in Stratford-upon-Avon in England, but apparently these type of homes or buildings are very common here in Göttingen because it's a pretty old city, so really, really neat. Just happened to see it and I really like it. Wonder how old it is. So anyway, I'm here at the kind of the main street into the town called Göttingen Alley. I'm sure I'm saying that completely wrong, but the train station is that way and the center of the town is inside there somewhere. So I'm just walking in here to see what's here. Lots of cool things to see according to a lot of tourist sites. Some of these buildings you can tell are really, really old. Neustadt, okay. Lots of trees, very sleepy. The home of Carl Gauss back in the 19th century. Wasn't a very nice guy. You wouldn't really wanted to have met him or went to dinner with him, but certainly a fantastic mathematician. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what this town has to offer. Just walking up that street, Göttingen Alley in Göttingen. Just seeing what's here. Looks like cars can't go any further than here, which is nice. It's all simple pedestrian or bicycle traffic. Very different feel in this town. You can just tell this looks old, feels old. Narrow streets, the Golden Brothers. I mean, what an interesting place. There's a lot of students here. Oh, there's another one of those half-timbered houses that I was talking about earlier. Wow, how neat is that? Wow. This is mainly students in this town. This is a university town. So there's professors and students, essentially, that live in this town. Of course, lots of other people as well, but it is a university town. I'm not sure how long it's been a university town, but certainly famous mathematicians like Carl Friedrich Gauss and Emmy Noether, two notables right off the top of my head. We're here, lots of Nobel Prize winners. Of course, there's no Nobel Prize in mathematics, but other scientists other than mathematicians here as well, or that were here. I'm not sure about anymore, but university is very famous. And I think that's that famous statue ahead. I'm not sure if that's it or not. Look at these beautiful buildings. I'm gonna back out here. You guys get a bigger view of this place. There we go, it's a little bit better. Wow, Wersteiner. A little beer house, looks like it. Wow, look at that, eh? All these towns just have so much class. No street in North America, no town in North America, except for very, very few places, can hold water to European towns and streets. Not sure what it is. The mentality is just so different. It's just everything's classy and well looked after. Old buildings are looked after and kept up. Culture is kept. And I'm not just thrown away. I don't know. I just have so much good to say about Europe. Sure, it has its problems too, but I mean, it's just so classy. That's the biggest word that comes to mind, classy. Wow, look at that place. There is a St. Jacob's Cathedral here somewhere. Not sure how big it is, but it's apparently really, really old, built in the 14th century, so I also want to look at that. The biggest, one of the main attractions here is the town hall. So I'm going to go look for that town hall later. So anyway, well, Just a short little view of Göttingen so far.